Have you ever seen a project on GitHub and thought, wow, this Readme looks amazing? Well, today I'm going to show you how to clone a repo and create a professional eye-catchy Readme for your own project, especially using the power of AI. So, hello everyone, welcome to the channel. And recently, someone asked me how to clone a repository from the GitHub and make a really good and amazing Readme file that stand out. So whether you are a beginner or just looking up for your projects, this tutorial has for you, and I'm covering this topic, so you don't need to be a design or writing an expert. So AI tools will make you super easy. So let's start with the collecting a repository from here. So yeah, let me pick any repository which don't have a readme file. So I guess I have one. uh, yeah, this one, influencer project. So yeah, this project don't have right now readme file. It have, but it's a blank readme file. So let's start with the cloning the this repo, so that I get some few screenshots from the running projects, and it will put into the GitHub readme file. So let's start with how to clone the repo. So here you will get a code section. I will make a video how to upload the projects on the GitHub as well, if you put it in the comment section. So this is, from here you will get a link. You just have to click it and copy it, go to your command prompt or PowerShell terminal. So here right now I am on the user section. So first I will go on to the desktop so that I can clone it on the desktop. So first cd desktop, press enter. So right now I'm on the desktop. Now you just have to write a command, git clone, and copy that URL. So here the project is cloning. Basically this project is coming to my on dashboard desktop. So yeah, this is done. Now yeah, I just go to the VS Code, open the desktop, and here find my clone repo, where it is. Yeah, this one. So I open it in the VS Code. So this is my project. I just go to the app.py section and try to run it. So before running it, I go to the terminal, new terminal. So here I open the terminal. Now let first install the requirement.txt, or just you can start with creating a virtual environment file, and then you have to install it on the install the requirement.txt. So I will first create a virtual environment. Yeah, so for creating the virtual environment, I just need a command python -m venv, and whatever the virtual environment name. So I'm putting it .venv. This is my virtual environment name. So yeah, that's here .venv file is created. Now I have to activate this virtual environment. So for activating it, just put the name venv.venv /scripts /activate. So I have activated the virtual environment. Now I am going to install the requirements.txt. So to installing the requirement.txt, so that all the requirements should be installed here to running this app. So I'm using the command pip install -r space requirements.txt. all the requirements have been installing. We just have to wait for 1 minute or a few seconds. So yeah, all the requirement have been successfully installed. So now I can run the app. For running the app, I have only a single file, a script app.py. So python app.py. So here it's saying no module found flask. So pip install flask. Now let's run the script python app.py. Okay, I guess some of the dependencies still have to install. Maybe you have to install it manually by using the pip command. Now let's run the app. Hope it's, yeah, now it's running. Click on it, and yeah, this is our app. So this is our home page. This is the login page. This is login. Yeah, we need to register first. So let's suppose username is Prem Kumar, password is 1234, and the role is sponsor. Register Prem Kumar 1234, login. So yeah, I logged in as a sponsor. So these are some dashboard, my campaign. So I just run the application to take some screenshots to add it in our readme file. Now I'm just go to this application, copy all the code in the app.py so that GPT will have the idea what are the projects. Just put it and write just read the code and understand properly, will ask you something later. Now let GPT have some understanding about our project. Now I will ask them to prepare a good looking readme file. So now prepare a good looking readme file, readme.md file for this project having all the details. So this is the prompt I am giving it to them. So I guess this is not in the readme.md format. You have to make it in the md format. No problem. So these are the some details we have to put it in our readme file so that anyone can. So here, yeah, you can see here some of the screenshots as well. We have to add it in the readme file. Yeah, but I just need it in the md format. So I just copy it. You can copy it from here as well, and just give the command. I guess this is in the readme format, so I just have to copy it, go to our readme file. Just we have to check. So yeah, this is the perfect. This is in the readme format. Yeah, so in the screenshot section, this is the admin dashboard, this is the sponsor dashboard, this is the influencer dashboard. So you just have to go on to your app. This is our sponsor dashboard. So I just took the screenshot from here, complete screenshot, and you just have to go to here. Instead of coming soon on the sponsor dashboard, just replace it with Control V, and you just have to wait for some time. And yeah, this image is successfully pasted. Let's have some comment, update the readme file. So yeah, this is looking fine. All the things have in the details. You can recheck it, put any further details. If missing something, you can edit by yourself. These are the things. Good looking and attractive readme file. In the admin dashboard, similarly, you can go to the admin dashboard in the app and just take the screenshot and paste here. For the influencer dashboard as well, you have to take the screenshot and paste here. You can also copy the from this type of things. Just copy you. Let's suppose from the Google admin dashboard. If you need any kind of image from the Google, you just have to copy image, go to the project readme file. Here you go here, edit the readme file, and wherever you have just go and Control V, and you just have to wait. And now comment the changes. So also by copying the image from the Google, by copying the image from your local profile, local system, or by taking the screenshot, you can directly paste the images in the readme file. So here it pasted successfully. So I'm just giving the example. You just have to go to your project page and take the screenshot from the admin dashboard. You take the screenshot from the influencer dashboard, and you can also add some more functionalities like my campaign page, influencers collaboration page, analytics page, whatever the steps, whatever the eye-catchy things in your project, you can directly paste it as an image. And these are some details. You just have to recheck it. This is the overview, what are your app is all about, what are the features you have, what are the authentications, what are the project structure. These are the things. It's directly made by the ChatGPT, but you can modify it according to your need. So this is up for my side. Thank you for having here. Thank you.